for the benefit of the members, then we will try, no. I think the siguro lalo na Secretary Recto would understand, no, kasi po siya po ang author nito, siya ay one of principal author, in fact siya po yung una nag-file nito ng Universal Healthcare Act, no. And I think that hindi naman ho niya pababayaan ang implementation to. He will understand that why we are trying to save PhilHealth's fund for the benefit of the members, no. Kasi kami yung nagtulong dito, ako po yung nag-defend sa floor, but marami ring authors nito who would want the success of the PhilHealth. Gusto nila makita yung success ng Universal Healthcare Act, no, through PhilHealth's proper implementation.
Isa na lang, may specific recommendation ba kayo na palitan si PhilHealth President Ledesma?
Well, nagsalta na ako noon eh. They better shape up, no?